You feel resistance towards change, uncertainty, and your new story because your subconscious is still reading the old. In this video, you're going to learn how to accept the new normal and help your subconscious mind to find some comfort in it. I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Every time you're trying to manifest something, you are choosing the reality with your conscious mind for about an hour or two, and then you go back to your subconscious programming, the old story, old limiting beliefs, old emotional reactions, choices, old perception, how you see the world, how you see yourself. Your subconscious mind is running the 95% of each day. So there is only 5% left for you to act, choose, feel, and think consciously. You can't expect to create a new reality if only you're choosing mindfully and consciously for about a 5% each day. 95 is bigger than 5. So if you don't transform, transmute, transcend that 95%, it's going to keep creating what you created yesterday, and the day before, and the day before. So chances are you're gonna have a different reality or your desired reality any day in this lifetime. If you're that lucky, maybe you should rather convince yourself, your subconscious, that you are that lucky. You know what I mean? What your subconscious is rejecting is the new story because it's uncomfortable. It's not something that it knows, it used to, and it perceives it as a threat because it doesn't know anything about it. It never tried. Your subconscious is only trying to keep you safe, keep you alive. That's okay. You gotta make peace with the fact that safety or being alive doesn't mean you're living the life, doesn't mean you're happy, that you're gonna feel fulfilled, that you're gonna have your desired reality. So your life can suck, but be safe. You can suck, but be alive. Which one do you choose? You have to choose the new story every time, even though it's uncomfortable. By choosing different feelings, thoughts, and emotions, you're getting out of your comfort zones. Most of your reactions, feelings, thoughts, and actions are your comfort zones already. This is how you've been doing, feeling, thinking for about 20-30 years. It feels easy, effortless. Yeah, you don't even spend energy. You don't even need to think about it. It's not a conscious choice. It's your subconscious running the show effortlessly. Let's say you get criticism from a parent or a loved one, and each time you get triggered with a criticism, you feel anger, raise your voice, and maybe lash out. And this is the reaction that you keep repeating every time you're criticized. These are your comfort zones. It's your feeling, anger. It's your reaction, raising your voice. It's the belief or thought that you have in mind, nobody likes me. It's the action that you take, lashing out, closing the doors, or shouting at the other person. These are all your repeated reactions, feelings, thoughts, and emotions. So these are your habits, and your habits become your comfort zones. Every comfort zone is dangerous. Every one of them. There are only ones that are serving you and not serving you, but all of them become dangerous at a point. I know it makes life easier for our beings to function. We need to turn some things into habits and don't spend much energy, don't spend much conscious awareness on them. This is how subconscious mind and our bodies work. They love getting used to it. They love familiarity. They love feeling at ease and comfort, but it's not serving you. So your comfort zones are not only your coffee choices at Starbucks, or the route you take every morning to your work, or the topics that you discuss with friends every time. These are on the surface level. Once you go deeper, you're gonna find beliefs, repeating emotions, reactions, feelings, actions, mindsets. It's basically your self-concept. Everything you believe about yourself, everything you believe about this world. And this is the reference point where you're acting from. This is where you're coming from, right? You need to change that reference point inside so that you can start operating from a different version, which is better, which is desired. To operate from that version, you need to clean the old programming in the subconscious mind because it loves that comfort. And at first, it's going to be a little uncomfortable, but it's okay, isn't it? You're being a new version of you. You're becoming someone else, a better version. So it's going to feel a bit uncomfortable, but once your subconscious mind gets used to it, you're going to instantly shift to a new reality. But your subconscious is not letting you do that. It's the blockage. It is blocking you because it is not serving you. You are serving your subconscious. You are the toy, the puppet. And your subconscious is running the show. It's playing with you and it's making you do whatever it wants. Honey, you need to become aware of it. You need to become aware that this is not a conscious choice that you're making. This version of you, that feeling, thought, or action, is not your conscious choice. It's not how you want to be, who you want to be. If you're not choosing consciously yourself and your desired reality, how do you think it's going to manifest itself? Who is going to help you? Your subconscious? I don't think so. First, you will choose that consciously. By repetition and discipline, your subconscious mind is going to get used to it. And with the experience, it will see that the new story is not that bad. It's actually good, It's actually not a threat. But there are also possibilities outside the comfort zone. So it's going to get used to that idea. And every time you get out of your comfort zone, you're going to create a new reality. And these realities might not seem so much of a different than what you have right now. But the energy is always flowing and changing and transforming. Even though you don't see the change in your current 3D reality, because you don't also see the molecules and atoms vibrating and moving. When you look at your body and your skin, you don't see it. It doesn't mean it's not happening. So even when you don't see it in your 3D reality, it doesn't mean it's not changing. It is changing every time you choose a different reality. You choose a different story, another reaction, another emotion, another thought, another belief. To attract your desired reality effortlessly, it needs to become subconscious. And what needs to become subconscious is the mindset, the frequency, state of being, the reactions, feelings and emotions and thoughts of your new version, the new self-concept of your best version. These are the ones that you need to repeat over and over again and consciously choose every time, every second, so that it becomes subconscious. And when it becomes subconscious, you're going to attract effortlessly. It's going to manifest, the desired reality is going to manifest effortlessly and instantly because you are aligned. Frequently, you align yourself with the frequency of your desired reality, with your best version living in that reality. So when you're aligned 100% fully, the shift is instant. The reality shifts like that. This is the time you see the change. But you created it when you made that conscious choice. The creation happens in the present moment, but the manifestation happens. The desired reality becomes visible in the future. Sooner or later, it manifests itself in the future. But it doesn't mean it's not created. It doesn't mean the reality is not changing. It doesn't mean that the shift is not happening. So don't believe in your perception. Don't believe in what you see in the 3D reality from the third dimension. Stick to it and persist to choose the new reality, new frequency, new emotions, new reactions, new desires, new goals. Because when you're aligned with that version, you're going to have new goals. You're going to have a brand new self-concept, but you don't have to wait for it. You don't have to wait for things to change, the circumstances to change, to become that version, to have that reality. You don't need to wait. You only need to align yourself right now internally, because the 3D is what you project from your inner world. Work inside, okay? Fully align yourself, thoughts, feelings, and action, and every subconscious belief. Align all of them with the frequency of your desired reality, which is wholeness, oneness, unity, fulfillment, serenity, love, unconditional love, peace, relaxation, enlightenment. Align your inner world right now and stay content with your reality. Enjoy this present moment as if you already got the desired reality. So living in the desired reality is the key to stay aligned and create from that version. Keep creating from that version, because the creation is happening right now. So you gotta live now and align with that frequency inside right now. Your subconscious mind is not comfortable when you choose a new action, reaction, feeling, emotion, or thought. It's not comfortable because it doesn't know it yet. It's not how it's programmed. It's not how it learned from your parents, teachers, peers, co-workers. So you got to teach your subconscious that it is safe, that it is okay, that it's not gonna die if you lose that job, because something new is on the way. You need to teach your subconscious that uncertainty is not full of threats. It's safe, it's full of possibilities, and it's where your new version and your new desired reality awaits. It's only in the quantum field, in the vortex, that is out of this 3D dimension, the mere possibility of your desired reality. So if you don't change your subconscious programming, your subconscious keeps creating a reality that is very similar to yesterday and the day before. And the percentage is very high, right? It's 95. So to transform that 95% driven by subconscious beliefs, emotional reactions, actions, your mindset, your self-concept, everything, and every belief you hold about your past and your stories and who you are and the world and people and relations and success and blah blah blah, whatever you know until this far, it didn't work. So you need to unlearn all of it and train the subconscious mind with new programming. Keep training, keep repeating, keep choosing consciously. You will keep choosing, repeating. Your mind will get used to it. It's gonna feel at ease. It's gonna feel that it's actually comfortable, vibrant and energetic and full of life to get out of the comfort zone. Once you transform your subconscious beliefs and your habits, aka 95% of your day, you're gonna have a different future easily, effortlessly, instantly, because your subconscious is running the show and creating realities each and every second. Put the new program in the subconscious and let it run it for you. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to lift a finger. Your subconscious is gonna deal with it. Do all the inner work and take it all out. Shine that light on your darkest corners. There should be left nothing in darkness. No shadows, nothing undiscovered. Discover yourself, know yourself, and become a master of yourself. By self, I mean your ego being, because your true self is something completely different, unlimited, powerful, vibrant, magical, and miraculous. Basically, what you're doing is aligning your ego being, your subconscious mind, with your higher self. It's that easy. You need to choose your new version, new reality, new beliefs, thoughts, actions, and feelings, that energy, frequency, by yourself. No one is going to help you. Nothing is going to manifest itself if you don't align your inner world with it. If you don't align your subconscious mind with it. If you don't align your state of being with it. Make your subconscious your servant and prove it that the new normal is safe, is fun, is full of possibilities, and it's miraculous. If you're up to aligning your 3D reality with your fullest potential, feel free to check out my links below. Until next time, keep loving yourself.